Hey guys, welcome back. And this is how to fix induction cooktop E0 error. So first one is switch off the cooktop and let it cool before starting. And after that, E0 error usually means no pan detected. So just simply use a flat bottomed induction compatible pan, magnetic base, and just simply place the pan in the center of the cooking zone because off-center pans may trigger the error, and also make sure the pan matches the burner size because too small pans may not register. And what you could try to do as well is wipe both the cooktop glass and the pan bottom to remove grease, moisture, or dirt, and just simply clean the surfaces. Now, what you could try to do as well, if the error is still showing, the sensor may be faulty, so just simply contact the manufacturer or service center. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.